A visit to the park. One bright, sunny morning, Hamza and Abdullah decide to go to their neighborhood park. It is Sunday and both friends are in high spirits. They stop outside the park to buy some ice cream from a small shop near the gate. They then enter the park happily eating and chatting. Abdullah, you should not throw your ice cream wrapper on the ground. Hamza, why should not? He shouldn't. He shouldn't. Should he not? Should not. Everyone else throws trash around here. Abdullah, if we want a clean and beautiful Pakistan, we should try and make it one. Hamza, but Abdullah, throwing a single wrapper will not make any difference. Trash, it will soon create a rubbish heap in the park. Therefore, we must follow the park rules here and protect our public places. Hamza, park rules? What park rules? Abdullah, shaking his head, come with me. There is a huge board that reads park rules. Hamza, surprised, I never noticed that before. Abdullah, let us read the park rules so that we know what we should do and not do in the park. City park rules. You must not write or draw on the walls of the park. Number 2. You must not throw trash around the park. Use the provided dustbins. Number 3. You must not cut or harm the plants and trees. Number 4. You must not write on damage the bench. Number 5. You must follow the park timings from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Number 6. Children must come with an adult. This public park is for your benefit. You should use it wisely. Abdullah, now do you realize, Hamza, what you must do and not do in the park? Hamza, yes, I do, Abdullah. Abdullah, public places are there for us to use. If we do not take care of them, we will have no place left for fun and enjoyment. Hamza, I have an idea. Just putting up these rules is not enough. We should teach others how to keep the public places clean. Abdullah, how? Hamza, we can put up posters telling people how and why to keep the places clean. Abdullah, and we can also place dustbins all around the park with signs of Keep Pakistan Clean on them. Hamza, great. Let us keep our parks clean and teach others to do the same.